TxStampin Sharon, bringing you a really quick video today that I think turned out pretty cute. If you've not already subscribed to my channel, you can do so below. After you subscribe, hit that little bell. You'll be notified the next time I upload a video. If I could ever help you with any of your Stampin' Up! Supply needs, I'd be honored to do so. Let's make my card. I made this cute little birthday card to give to my friend who has, one of her grandkids is having a birthday, and his theme was galaxy. So how perfect is that paper? And so I just stamped, you know, happy birthday inside. I chose the Twinkle Twinkle set because I immediately thought about the punch. I love this punch. It's a nice big heavy duty punch, and it would give me my moon and stars. But you know, honestly, every time I've used this set, I've always gone with more of the pastels. So it was really kind of fun to go with the darker designer series paper. And at the bottom, it shows you all the patterns. I like to take my paper and cut it up because then it's ready for me to just make some cards. And this measures 4 by 6. I'm going to trim it down to 4 by 5 1/4. But then that way I have my cards ready. I just take them to my local print shop and have them cut the paper for me. I take a whole stack and they charge me like $3. So worth it. My paper's ready. I decided on this card that I'm going to make for the video that I'm going to do it this way. I don't know. I just kind of liked that layout, but you could do the card either way you wanted. This one was cut 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored and folded at 4 1/4. This one is 4 1/4 by 11, scored and folded at 5 1/2. I'm going to go ahead and do my stamping on here first. Oh, let me show you the stamp sets I chose. So there's the little Twinkle stamp set because I loved that. Love you more than all the stars. How perfect is that? And then this one is Picture Perfect Birthday. I wanted just a bold birthday in there, and so that's why I went with that stamp set. We always want to use our embossing buddy. Let's see, how do I want my galaxy? Now let's try it this way. And then we're going to use our Versamark. Why is my Versamark all colored? It's because I was playing with Brusho one day, and when I spritzed the water, the crystals went all in my Versamark pad. Doesn't hurt it, it just, it looks pretty. I'm gonna bring in my embossing powder, and this is just the white emboss powder, and pour that over that. Give it a good flick and heat set. Cute, cute, cute. I took some Daffodil Delight and I just punched my moon and stars. And then I brought in my silicone mat. You guys know me and my silicone mat. I love this thing. I put a little bit of multi-purpose glue on the mat. And first I'm going to take and add some snail to my, why am I doing that? Put it on the mat. I'm gonna get adhesive on my piercing mat. So we'll just take this. I thought about doing the moon and these stars in white, and I was like, no, I need a little pop there. All right, then I'm gonna take my tool picker from Stampin' Up, and there's a little bit of putty on there, and it works really well for me to, oh, I hope this is in the camera. Let me slide over a little bit. Let's make sure you can see what I'm doing. And then we're just gonna place our stars. Do y'all have this thing yet? It's amazing. I forget that I have it sometimes, and I'm like, oh, I can't pick that up. Makes life a lot easier. Whoops. Tiny stars. But yeah, I mean, there's no way I could pick those little stars up. Add that one right there. All right. There we go. And now we're going to take our card base and we will add some adhesive, just using some snail. To repeat again, this designer series paper is 4 inches by 5 1/4. Let's make sure we're opening right. Have y'all ever put your card together wrong, like upside down, or where it opens from left to right or right to left? All right, so we have that. So all we need now is to stamp our sentiment. And you guys, this new stamp pad, if you have trouble opening it, just pinch it on the top and it opens right up. So much easier. Oh, I moved my paper piercing mat and I still need it. The paper piercing mat gives me some good cushion when I'm stamping with the photopolymer stamps. Now, how fast and easy is that card? I think it's adorable. And I love that I went with a darker color. And I don't know if I would have done that if she hadn't have said he was having a galaxy birthday party. So, all right. If I can ever help you, let me know. Didn't you think that card was just adorable? I think my friend's grandson is going to love that card. So thank you guys for watching. Happy stamping, y'all.